What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Just like the Godfather says, every time I want to get out, they keep pulling me back in. So fam, the difficulty about getting off the truck is the fact that sometimes the rain does not work with you. We had 4 days of rain and we're backed up already. I mean, it's April showers in March. It wants to do all 4 seasons in one day. It's winter in the morning. Sometimes we move to the fall, spring in the noon, and then summertime in the evening. And all of a sudden it starts all over again. So we got to be layered up. And I got a hoodie on, a t-shirt on top of my long shirt, and then I got a t-shirt underneath it. So I'm ready for all 4 of the seasons today. What's up, fam? So we at the first property. I know you see that the grass is dormant, but what we're trying to do is get some of those clippings because Bermuda grass is dead. And what you want to do is cut it down some, so when the spring turns around, that grass come back green. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut some of it down, and then the next time we come out again, we'll cut it down again. And hopefully, when it comes down to the spring, we start seeing that grass sprouting up. See, the line's not fresh. We're gonna have a fresh line at the end of that. It's gonna look better. You'll see. Got 2 side by side. Got this one, then got the one next door with all the cars. What's up, fam? So we just finished this yard here, and like I said, the grass is dormant, but we got the edge nice and crispy. Kick that dirt up so it can look clean. So when we come back in during the spring, when it starts growing, it'll look good. Also, I actually recommended to get the hedges cleaned up and also weed kill the flower beds, so we can give them something to look at when they come home, nice and pretty. Also, this one too, we did this one. Look at that edge, nice and pretty. So we want to make sure that we let them know some of the things that can happen. Now, one of the things I know when you cutting this grass up and you don't see it because it's brown. Normally you see it when it's green, but when it's brown, it still leaves the same clippings behind, and you want to make sure you spray it out because when it rains, all that stuff clumped together. But that definitely looks manicured, looks way better than it did when we first started. Now, some of the things I'm running into, fam, is that a lot of times I send out text messages and emails to let my clients know, hey, I'm coming to service you. And I'm talking about I do it weeks in advance. I mean, it's so beautiful the way I do it. I pat myself on the back. I use what is called monkey something. Well, you know what I'm talking about, the thing that sends out the chimp mail. Yeah, I think it's chimp mail, not monkey mail. It's chimp mail. So I'm using that to blast my clients and everything, and they get the information, and some of them do right by saying, hey, we want to cancel, we don't want to continue services, et cetera, but some of them don't do it. They'll wait till I come and cut their yard after I tell them, hey, I'm coming to cut your yard tomorrow, and then they say, well, I didn't give you permission to cut your yard. Well, the idea is if you don't cancel, that's permission. You have to cancel, and most times, everything that you know about any type of services, they ask you to write something to cancel. It's the same thing. We really don't get the respect like a lot of other businesses get when it comes to our time. They just think that sometimes we just guys, I don't know, just cutting grass, and the profession is not looking at it as a profession. So I got one situation now where the client is saying to me that he actually didn't want his yard cut. He don't know why. He didn't authorize it. And I said, well, sir, I kept sending out text messages to let you know that your yard would be serviced. You could have responded by saying, don't cut my grass. It's canceled. That would have been the end of that. He didn't do it. So I serviced him and I charged him. So now he's saying whether or not he want to continue to use my services. So I'm trying to come up with a way that we both win. One of the ways we both win is I charge them for this cut. After you do like maybe three to five cuts, I'll discount him one. That way we both win. He's not just saying it just to be saying it, so I can refund him back, because I did do my due diligence and send him the information. So I'm out cutting today with my nephew. Yo! Keep your eyes on the road. And we're trying to make this rain delay up on these 4 days. So hopefully you get some footage. I'm gonna let him be the crew chief today, but I am gonna ride that mower or something too. I'm the old man, he the young buck. So I'm gonna let him start out, so I can be sitting when at the end of the day when it's summertime. All right. So fam, we in our next location. We got this commercial doing playground mulch installation, not too hard. My nephew is upset with the mulch, so he's beating it into submission. This is the task that we had. Got 3 wheelbarrows rolling, and I gave a great price for the work. So I'm gonna show you what we got to do, and we're gonna get it done.